Hey babes, here's a quick and glam nail look that's super easy but looks totally high-end. Let's get started. First, I'm adding a matte top coat to set the surface for pigments. Now I'm tapping on 3 pigments color to get this soft blended rainbow base. I locked in the pigments with a glittery top coat for that dreamy spark. With black paint gel and the liner brush, I'm drawing some teardrop shapes all over the nail. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Then filling in the space between the shapes with solid black to make the colors inside really stand out. Using a dotting tool, I'm adding some tiny white dots on the black for extra detail. Finishing up with a shiny top coat and done. So easy and so pretty. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.